Hey everyone, so just another messy hair vlog coming at you today. Hope everyone's having a great Thursday. We are almost at the end of the week. We're almost there, guys. I had a pretty uneventful day today. I spent most of the day waiting at the ER and I just got things tested, blood work, x-rays, things like that. Pretty much just making sure things aren't as bad as it seems, and pretty much just preventative measures. Is better to prevent than to have to try to cure. I was checking on my heart health, and on the way there I realized how funny life works. I had an internship, and of all the internships I could have had, I had an internship at a biomedical device company, and of all the teams I could have been on, I was on the heart valve team. Heart health has always been something that I've been very cognizant of, so I always want to take precautions with it. So it's just funny that now I think back, like I worked at a place that looked at heart health, and even in the waiting room I still had my work laptop, and I'm like, girl, when are you gonna chill? After my ER visit, I went to see the PMR doctor for my knee just to get a second opinion. Pretty much already knew all the things that she told me, so I guess consistency is good. Pretty much just got to keep working on the exercises that PT gave me just to work out the specific muscles. And she brought up an interesting point about how our brain is so used to feeling pain, so it's just shooting knife pains into my knee, even though it's been like a year and 4 months already since the injury. She said that I could try to break the pain cycle by doing 2 weeks of anti-inflammatory work on it. I don't like medication, so I know turmeric helps with inflammation. So I'm gonna be super religious in taking turmeric pills, just because they're a lot easier to digest. Taking turmeric is like really hard. Turmeric has a strong flavor. I'm gonna take those pills for 2 weeks and maybe just see what kind of happens. Either way, just taking turmeric is good for the body anyway, so I figured there's nothing to lose. If anyone knows of anything else that could help heal my knee from the injury, send them my way, comment down below, DM me. It'll be much appreciated. After that, I just went to Whole Foods because I wanted fruits. I just wanted something good to put in my body, and I bought grapes, and I got these tiny ass apples. They're so cute. So it's been a long day. I've just been very tired. Gonna edit this video real quick, and I'm just gonna chill and watch a movie. So see you guys tomorrow. Good night.